Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a mini tour of the Aloft Fort Lauderdale Airport Hotel. This is the second floor of the hotel, and it is where you will find the check-in area, the kitchen area, chairs and tables to eat, the bar, and a balcony where you can see the street. This was all the footage I was able to film of the second floor of the hotel, and now I will be giving you a room tour. My room was located on the 9th floor, and I stayed in a 1 king-size bed with a city view. As you can see, this is a door jammer / door blocker, and it helps you feel safer when you go to sleep. Right at the entrance is the safe and the steamer. One thing I like about Aloft hotels is that they have full-size shampoo, conditioner, and body wash for your use. So when it comes to this door, you have to be very careful when you're closing it, and that's the reason why I left that footage right here. As you can see, it closes like an elevator and it's really heavy, so you have to be very careful when you're closing it. As you can see, there's also an air dryer in the room, and it has 2 of these, whatever they call. This is if you have curly hair, obviously. And there's a spare of toilet paper in case you run out. Another thing I like about Aloft is this huge mirror. When it comes to the bed, very comfortable. I slept great at night. And the reason why it looks like this is because I laid on it before I decided to take this video. And they clean the room every day, make your bed, change your towels, and it's really nice. This is the mini fridge. Another thing I like is there are so many outlets in this room. No matter what side of the bed you slept in, you have this that you can charge your phone or connect anything. And the view, I enjoyed it so much. It's so nice. And there is the blinders you can pull it down when you're changing, when you're about to sleep. This is me pulling it down to show you. And now I'm going to give you a tour of the gym. It's really nice, really practical. It has almost everything that you can get a workout in, I guess, in the view. I'm obsessed with views. So I will be showing you this is the pool area, and it also has a bar slash rooftop bar. And I filmed this video at night, so it was already closed, and I believe this was my last night over there. It has so many sitting areas where you can sit, enjoy the view. This area is where you'll find the women and men's bathroom or restroom if you'd like. And this has like a mini fireplace. And this concludes the mini tour of the Aloft Fort Lauderdale Airport Hotel. This hotel is really close to the Fort Lauderdale Airport, and I stayed there for 5 nights. I had no complaints. The staffs are nice and the hotel is clean. I would recommend this hotel if you are going for a quick or long stay in Fort Lauderdale. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!